Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove Evernote Web Clipper from Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll notice an extensions button there, which looks like a puzzle piece icon. This is where Chrome keeps all your installed extensions organized and easily accessible. Go ahead and click on this puzzle icon to reveal a drop-down menu showing all your current browser extensions. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see a list of all the extensions you currently have installed in Chrome. Look through this list until you find Evernote Web Clipper. Once you locate it, you'll notice 3 vertical dots positioned right beside the extension name. These dots represent the options menu for that specific extension. Click on these 3 dots to open up a small menu with various actions you can take. From the menu that appears, you'll see several options related to the extension. Look for the option that says Remove from Chrome and click on it. This action tells Chrome that you want to completely uninstall the Evernote Web Clipper extension from your browser, which will free up resources and clean up your extensions list. After clicking Remove from Chrome, a confirmation dialog box will pop up on your screen. This is Chrome's way of making sure you really want to proceed with removing the extension, as this action cannot be undone without reinstalling it later. The pop-up will ask you to confirm your decision. Simply click the Remove button in this confirmation window to finalize the process. And that's it! You've successfully removed the Evernote Web Clipper extension from your Chrome browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.